Oh no, that is so close. We're gonna get stopped out. We're gonna get stopped out.
So,
Hey guys, so today is day five of trading. It's a Monday. Back trading with Mamba because trading on my own was an absolute disaster. So I watched back my video, right? And what I didn't realize at the time was when I was looking for a stop loss position, like to enter a stop loss, I actually entered a sell trade, right? So that might explain why I had more losses than I actually thought I did, because I actually did enter a trade without knowing. So I entered the trade at a sell position when I was trying to figure out how to enter a stop loss, and in obviously sheer panic, I completely ballsed it up. And there was a few things I ballsed up. I can't remember what it was, but yeah, yesterday's video. I mean, what div, right? So hopefully today goes better. Obviously, market opens in about half an hour. We did have the Chicago Mercantile Exchange happen over the weekend, so the price ended here on a Friday, but now it's up here, so there's a bit of a gap to fill. But I think the London session has filled the gap, so we'll see what happens with that. That'll be quite interesting. But hopefully today is a better day. Still on the laptop. Still haven't got the desktop set up yet, or a desk, to be honest. So there's a lot of upheaval in my living environment at the moment. So once that's settled down, we'll be back on the desktop, and it should be a lot easier to navigate the screens, right? So yeah, still on the trackpad with the laptop, which sucks. But today is going to be a good day. I can feel it in my bones. We're gonna make a profit, right? Right, we're gonna make it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make it happen. A lot of you in the comments actually have been saying that Mamba's a scam. That's not my personal experience. Like, I don't believe he is. Like, when you're in the currency cave and you're watching him do his thing live, there's no way. Like, yeah, he might. I don't know what his history is with scams, but he's not scamming in the currency cave. He's actually saying, like, this is a trade I'm taking. Enter here if you want, and he wins. Right. I think he's on like a 29-day winning streak. So if you were to enter his trades and exit his trades when he exits, you'd be up, but loads, right? So it's not a scam. I know he's got a like there's all these YouTube influencer traders have got reputations as being scammers, right? And you're thinking, well, why do you run courses if you're so good? But money's money, right? Why would you not run a course if you're good at teaching something? I don't know. That's just my 2 pence. You don't have to actually care. But that's my opinion on Mamba, and if he's a scam. I don't think he's a scam. The currency cave isn't a scam for sure. So if you did want to join the currency cave, there's a link in the description below. Anyway, again, I do appreciate all the support and comments and all the help. You watching my struggles and my idiotic moments, and you're not bashing me for it, which is nice. You're actually offering advice and support, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much. We're gonna jump into the charts shortly because we go trading shortly. So see you in a bit.
All right, we're back. So this morning I was looking at UK 100, and I actually did mark up my charts, right, just out of interest. And this happened, and I was like, oh man, if I took that trade. But hey, it is what it is. But what do I need to do? I need to actually join the stage, and I probably should consider marking these up. Right.
what's going on, everybody? We're back. Let's see. Markets are starting, unfortunately, oversold like a bitch.
Better make sure I'm on the right friggin' time frame this time, eh? 5 minutes. Hopefully no stupid mistakes today, eh? I'm sure there will be. Stupid mistakes costing me.
The good news is it's giving us the retracement that we need.
So he's on US 30. go to the 5 minute. Make sure we're on the right timeline.
Now we just got to
Time frame.
find out if price wants to break below support that was just created, or does it want to breathe for a little bit and come back up and kind of fill in the zone that's been dropping for so long. Hard to tell right now. It looks like it wants to push back down low key.
So like it's rejected that area. So that could be encouraging, I think.
Only our first trade. Very light position too. It's only a 20-point stop. So let's see what happens if we get up to the zone first though. We gotta refill this wick.
So struggling to break through this resistance.
Have some issues. Going light buying here.
We're in. We're buying.
Nothing crazy, just a small position. Price is moving slow, so I don't want to risk a lot. I want to see if we can get something going on here. But again, we're not going for a crazy move here. Not to start the week and not to start the day. This probably won't be our only trade. So do not risk your whole account. Let's go 1 to 3% average trade.
Well, you just do that, I suppose.
Stuck. Freaking stuck.
That was easy
I bought
enough.
Nasdaq barely. When I say barely, I mean I'm not going big on this position. I wasn't seeing any news on my end. Let me see.
I didn't even check the news. Probably should get into the habit of doing that.
There's a little bit of news that would affect the whole market.
I was going to say I was surprised we took that trade, but I suppose this probably is a resistance level there. I didn't mark up, so that's probably why it was broken through. I've decided just all the trades go against me. All of the trades go against me. Oh no. That is so close. We're going to get stopped out. We're going to get stopped out.
So
Push up, please. Oh man. That's done.
yeah, I'm out.
Stopped out. Bugger. Nothing is going right. We're still up on the challenge. $64. Brilliant. If you ever thought trading was easy, it really isn't. You have to know what you're doing, for sure. Otherwise it's a really dangerous thing to get into. It's rejected that, look.
No way that shit comes back up. Sometimes you just gotta hold these motherfuckers, honestly. Yeah, the markets do suck this morning, though. I might re-enter still. We'll see.
Okay, so what we're doing is we're going to see if we can push back up. And if we do, we might take a buy. I hope we do, because it's never fun losing money every day. Which I seem to be doing. So we'll see. Hopefully you can turn it around. Apparently it's a choppy market because there's lots of like candle wicks. So that's something I need to make a note of. If there's lots of candle wicks, it's a choppy market. So sometimes it's probably best to avoid.
Alright, I'm re-entering that buy.
Me too.
Price seems like it wants to push a little more. I'm re-entering the buy. Yes. Push them for another buy.
The good news, guys, is that I've figured out stop losses. It's just I keep hitting them.
Come on, bro. This fucking trade. These markets suck. Literally suck right now. Really? That's what we're getting on the one? This is might as well just get out and fucking break even at this point.
I would love to, but I'm minus. It's no break even for me.
So it's just another bullshit trade. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I can already tell. What Nasdaq's on today.
Bollocks.
Type shit. I'm out of this trade, man. All fucking bullshit. I'm out. I've been out. I'm out of break even. It's just a shit setup. This is one of the worst fucking. Look at this. Look at this though. What in the world is happening in between these lines, bro? That's brutal. That is fucking brutal. US 32. It's chop, chop, chop down. Chop, chop, chop.
You can see where my previous stop loss was.
Nothing.
It would have been tapped out.
We got out, Frank. No, your stop loss cannot have gotten hit. There's no stop, not even near stop loss. We just got out. If your stop loss got hit, then you're risking too much.
Come on, keep pushing back up. We stuck with you.
Insane.
We stuck with you, Nasdaq.
Nasdaq's chilling, bro. It barely even dropped.
So rejected again at there, that same level. This area of interest that keeps just touching in and rejecting. Please be good news. That's the thing. If it breaks through that zone, it could go well, but it's not doing it. What I would like really is to get all the way up here, set a train and
So
stop
everybody
loss,
who's in the
just forget about it.
mentorship room blueprint. Yeah, there's a mentorship call area in there.
How much are we down
So
today so far? 55.
I'm probably going to start putting my stops to break even right here. I'm still curious about what happened there on futures. That's weird.
I'm not going to set the break in. I'm going to ride it out.
It's not open no more.
I'm going to ride it out. So Mamba's probably going to leave now.
Hey, we'll come back tomorrow, guys. This happens. This is just part of life. The markets are just not going nowhere for us. Nothing we can do when the markets won't move. We'll come back tomorrow and we'll do it again. Simple as that.
So obviously Mamba's ducked out and done for the day. And I'm sitting here hoping and praying that we don't get stopped out. And that it goes up. So you're going to have to bear with me, guys. It's just me, myself, and me. But fingers crossed. Hopefully it just keeps pushing up now. All the way to 1 to 4. Or even higher. That'd be great. 1 to 20. Nope. It's like, fuck you, Tom. Fuck you. Just need a winning trade at this point. Just to get my freaking mojo back. It's very easy to feel defeated, right? I know in trading you get your wins and your losses, and as long as you're overall up and you're winning, up for the week, great. But it can be disheartening when you think you're doing well, and then you just keep losing. I'm on a freaking roll at the moment of losing trades. It's ridiculous. Obviously, I've lost some trades that I should have won, or at least broke even on. That's my own fault for not knowing how to use the software. But, it's all learning it. I've still got, even if I lose today, I've still got plenty of chances to rebound and come back. Just don't do anything stupid. Don't do any crazy lot sizes. Don't let stop losses too big. Just stay chill. Stay chill. Stay calm. Don't panic. And all will come good. All if I keep repeating it, all will come good. All will come good. All will come good. it might come good. Affirmations again, right? Not that I think affirmations work, but I'm happy to hope and pray they do. So we lost $55 in the first trade. There's still a long way to go to even break even for the day. If we do break even for the day, this could freaking crumble. I could be here all day hoping that it goes my way and then freaking drops. Yeah. But it's still respecting this freaking zone here. So I'm just hoping it does eventually break through. But it's stuck there. But I could jump out the trade and take my $5, but if I do that, I know it's going to freaking shoot off. So I'm going to hope and pray and trust the process. Have faith. Having faith that today is going to be my day. Come on, keep going. That's it. It's broken through. Hopefully it will just keep pushing now to the sky. Oh, shit. Coke Zero get me through. Zero sugar. Although I don't know if you noticed, right? But there's a new ingredient in Coke Zero. In some of the cans, it's like a plant extract, and you open it, and it just fizzes up, and it doesn't taste the same as Coke Zero used to taste. So it's a bit odd, but yeah. But this one's alright. So maybe it's not the plant extract sweetener; it's the stevia. Or is stevia's plant extract? I don't know. But this is a good sign. This is a good sign, boys and girls, that we have broken through that level there. Although it's fighting it still, so maybe it's not a good sign, but I'm feeling optimistic that we're just going to keep eventually going up. So I'm going to sit here chatting shit, drinking my Coke Zero, living that trader's dream or nightmare. It could turn into a nightmare very, very easily. Look at that, turn into a nightmare. You're sitting there watching charts and you just anxiety inducing, right? There's nothing chill about this. Nothing chill about this at all. It's not for the faint-hearted, that's for sure. Now, if we can break out that trend line, we're gold. Of course we can't. Why would we do that? Why would anything ever go the way that I would want it to go? Go on, push. It's like when my partner gave birth. push. Actually, we had a bit of a nightmare of our last pregnancy, and the baby's heart rate dropped, and I had to push this like red emergency button, and all of a sudden the room filled up with these, like, I'm guessing they're nurses, right, and student nurses, they all piled in, and they were there to support, I guess, or I don't know what they were there for, but they were all there watching. So it was a bit like, whoa, what's going on? But I think there's like 10 of them all piled in to help in case something went wrong. So that was an experience I just thought I'd share with you. And look at that. We're now at a loss. It's pushed down. It's pushed the wrong way, that's for sure. But hopefully that's just going to flip back around in the next candle. That is some serious rejection. Oh, it's vomit-inducing. You just never know what way it's going to go for you, right? That's what I've discovered. You think, it's going really badly. And then all of a sudden it turns around and you're like, oh my God, I've just made a profit. Or it's going really well. And you think, yeah, sweet, this is going to be a good day. And then the candle just drops or reverses on you and you end up taking a big hit. I think it's going to take me freaking forever to pass this challenge, The first day, obviously, I did the wrong lot size and was up $260, which has kind of been my saving grace so far. And I was like, brilliant, this is amazing. Good day. Easy as that. But ever since then, since I've been doing like proper lot sizes and I don't know, since I've been doing proper lot sizes, it's all gone a bit tits up. But we'll see. We'll see. We'll follow this trade through to the bitter end. Or hopefully the sweet end. It sounds weird. But, you know, it's still pushing up, right? So this is good news. It's just middling. Just slightly higher than it was. So I'm optimistic. I'm optimistic we're going to break out this channel, trend line. Mamba missed out, you see. He missed out on this. Should have just took my advice. Joking. I'm definitely not in a position to give any trading advice just yet, that's for sure. But I'll happily share my thoughts and opinions and what I think I'm spotting. And hopefully learn and adapt and come up with my own kind of, not system, but confluences. Things that I want to look for. Things that I understand. So, you know, I probably should learn candle shapes and wicks and all that stuff. There's a book called The Candlestick Bible I started reading. Probably should finish reading that as well. It's quite interesting. If you haven't heard of it or read it, I think it's worth giving it a go if you're interested in trading. It goes into details about the different, obviously different patterns and shapes that form and give you like an educated guess on what way a market is going to go and when to enter a trade and all that good stuff. So I probably should reread it and finish it. I'll tell you guys, you probably should read it. I haven't fully read it, so yeah. Don't do as I do, do as I say. Sometimes I wonder, like, obviously Mamba's on a mentorship call now. Like, if he didn't have something to attend to, would he have stuck around for staying in this trade, you know? Or was he just left a break even because he knew that he wouldn't be in a position to hold the trade while he was on the mentorship call, right? If it closes above that line, we are optimistic it's going to keep going up. I don't even know how long is left of the 5-minute time frame. Obviously I've got my clock, I can see the time. So it's nearly 10 past. So you'd assume the candle's going to close in a minute, in a second, in a minute, whatever. But in trading view, you can see how long is left. But I can't seem to see that in Trade Locker. Oh, look, why is it dropped? Why is it dropped just before the candle closes? So yeah, it's going to even reject again now, which isn't a good sign. It's not what we wanted for it to close under the trend line. Oh, just on the trend line. Does that count? Didn't enjoy that drop. It's nice when it was all green, but it's a higher high, right? Higher high. So hopefully it'll be a lower low and a higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high. And it becomes a good day if it does that, right? But at the moment, we're back in the red. Brilliant. But I'm kind of hoping it now rejects this zone as the support. So hopefully the support will push that away. Could literally end up being here all day. I think if that, or not, or maybe not. Look at that drop. I think if that were the case, say it got up here, for example, I'd be tempted to set a trailing stop loss and just take what they give me. Which is probably not the right way to do it, as I know. They say you shouldn't look at the monetary value of a trade. You just look at the candles and look at what the market's doing rather than what your profit and loss is doing, because then you make decisions on financial emotion. Is that I don't know, maybe on emotion rather than like actual analysis. So look at this one. It's now rejected this area, so that's encouraging, right? It's not broken beneath that area of support, so it's encouraging that it could eventually go back up. Honestly, I kind of just want it to freaking break past this trend line, and that would make me feel quite optimistic. Like, the volume's gone down now. It's all going to start slowing down. So it literally could be a long trade. In an ideal world, I would make a profit today. So obviously I'm $55 down. So I kind of need to make $60. So I'll be happy. Not a lot. Not big money, is it? Yet. Once we pass this funded challenge, fingers crossed. That said, Clarity Traders actually have a 60% discount going on right now. I forget what the code is. But if you were interested in getting a funded challenge, Clarity Traders have 60% off. Like, unbelievable, really. I got 25% off this challenge I'm doing. But you can now get 60% off of a challenge. So I might buy another one. But yeah, if you go to the link in the description to Clarity Traders, sign up, and then you can buy a challenge. I'll try find the code for the 60% off and put that down in the description as well. I think if you've got the money to buy a challenge, even like 25k one like I have, it's absolutely worth it. Just to get the experience of, not paper trading. Like in this situation, I feel like I've got shit to lose, right? I want to win. I want to get this funded account. So it's making me trade smarter. Whereas on a demo account, you might be like, oh, well, I'll try lot size 12, right? And then, you're in profit if it goes up a couple of pips or ticks. And you're like, oh, yeah, close out, and you've just made on a demo account or paper trade, you've just made like $1,000, and you're like, oh, that's easy. The reality is, if you put yourself in that position, you could potentially lose multiple grand if it goes wrong. So it gets you in the wrong kind of headspace doing it that way. So I think if you've got a funded challenge, you're following the rules of the challenge. Granted, they're not that strict with Clarity Traders, but you still have to follow the rules, and you can't lose a certain amount, right? So it makes you more aware of your risk. So I would definitely recommend doing a funded challenge if you've got the money to buy a funded challenge, like to lose, because chances are you're either going to win or you're going to lose, right? And if you're going to lose, you have to be prepared to lose that money. So yeah, just bear that in mind when you're thinking about buying a challenge. It's not easy. On day one I thought, freaking hell, that was good, $260 up. I'm going to smash this challenge. But now I'm only freaking $81 up if I close out now. So I've lost like $200 nearly since I won that first day. So it's up and down, isn't it? So just bear that in mind. You don't want to do a challenge or pay for a challenge thinking you're going to smash it. Go in with the mindset that you're going to lose the challenge, or not that you're going to lose the challenge, but you might lose the money you spent to buy the challenge, right? Just bear that in mind. But yeah, like I said, if you want to sign up to Clarity Traders, they've got a 60% discount on right now. I mean, There's one guy on the leaderboard. He's obviously got a £500,000 challenge account, I'm guessing, and he's made 36,000 in the last week on his challenge. Obviously, he's got to get another 14 grand, right, to pass the challenge, or however much it is. I can't remember. So you look at it, you're like, he's 36 grand up in like a week. Imagine if that was actually his account and he had 100% profit share. That's the money, boys. That's the big money. That's what we all aspire to, right? This candle, what's it doing to me? Now, if I was like a seasoned scalper, I might say, oh yeah, there's a trend. If it breaks through that line, I'd take a sell here down to there, and blah blah blah. I hope that's not the case. But if it rejects this trend line I've just drawn, it's good news, right? It's good news. I don't think it will. I think it's going to go down again. To spite me. I was like, you've been here long enough, mate. Hurry up, get out. Go do something else productive with your life. Instead of watching trades. So why I put it there is because it's above that, right? So it's above that resistance zone. Then you can say, it's going to go all the way up there. So that could be worth a look, to be fair. It's not really scalping though, is it? It's like freaking day trading. Oh, look at that nightmare. So if this one goes wrong, I think I'm going to be done for the day. Oh, what? What was that? Why did that just drop? Was that news? What the fuck? That was savage. Wow. Wow. I don't know what just happened. Wow, that was... But the good news is I'm £4 up on the $4 up on the challenge. Fuck. Look at that. Now it's all going to be like, yeah, that's good. Brutal. That was brutal. Oh, I should have put my friggin' stop loss down here. I just can't get a break, can I, at the moment? Just cannot get a break. That was horrible. How cruel is that? That's what I was talking about earlier. Like, you think you're going well, and then bam, wipes you out. How much was it position even worth? $59. Which, I'm not even trading a percent. Right. Not even risking a percent at the moment on these trades, but I'm still getting absolutely smashed left, right, and centre. Like, if you look at my freaking trading history, what was it? Lost. Oh, $5.50. Lost. Like, that day, that started off bloody great, didn't it? That was nuts. 2 trades, 2 losses. Like, part of me is like, oh, maybe I'll enter again. What if I set? It'd still be there, wouldn't it? Well, if I did that, you'd probably... No, don't do it. Don't do it. I might watch this one All my fib settings are so rubbish that not much doing. Will I be absolutely mad? I would be mad. Let's not do it. Let's not do that. Let's see what Naz is doing. I bet Naz is flying again now. Nah, it's not. It's not. Right. I'm going to call it a day. Another loss. We go again tomorrow. We're $4 up for the challenge, though.
How did we go wrong? Do you know?
No. Mamba lost as well.
Oh, okay. Stick with it. Tomorrow's a new day.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, isn't it?
Yeah. Like I said, you know, you're going to lose some. You're going to win some. Obviously, you know, just don't go out buying a yacht until you win more than you lose.
Mm.
It's all good, don't worry.
Not worried. Don't you worry. Hindsight, my stop loss should have been below. It should have been below this anyway. That was my own fault. I should have had a lower stop loss. But hey, you live and learn. Because that's always the way, right? No, that's it. We're done. We're out. See you tomorrow. And if you haven't already, guys, please do like and subscribe. That would mean a lot. Wish me luck. This is a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. A lot harder than I thought it was going to be. So, yeah. Wish me luck.